Thing yesterday announced the first three products in its new sub-brand CMF, which stands for Color Material Finish. The goal of this sub-brand is to provide more accessible products at lower prices compared to the more premium offering of the main brand, while maintaining the company's focus on design. The three products include the CMF Buds Pro, CMF Watch Pro, and the CMF Power 65 GaN charger. So, where are the light versions? The CMF Buds Pro offer active noise cancellation at the claim 45 dB and a wide 5000 Hz range. They have the largest battery life of any nothing audio products and claim 6.5 hours of use with ANC and 11 hours without ANC. The audio drivers are made up of LCP plus PU and offers real-time bass adjustment. It comes in dark grey, light grey, and orange color, and the pricing is around $42 or 3,499 rupees, which is very overpriced. The CMF Watch Pro has an Apple Watch copy design, featuring a large 1.9-inch 410 into 502 resolution AMOLED display with 600 nits brightness and 58 Hz refresh rate. It has integrated GPS, providing location tracking during running, cycling, walking, and hiking. It supports massive list of workouts and sports it can track for the user. There is no watch OS. It comes with real-time heart rate and blood oxygen saturation as well as sleep and stress tracking. It lets you make and receive calls from your wrist with integrated microphone and speaker as well as a dialpad and contact list with AI assisted call quality improvements. It comes in two finishes, dark grey, which features a matte aluminum finish and comes in two strap colors, dark grey and ash grey, as well as a polished shiny aluminum metallic grey finish, which comes with a striking orange strand. It is priced around 4,499 for the dark grey and 4,999 for the metallic grey color. Why the 500 rupees difference is not known. You get the CMF Power 65W GaN charger, which features two USB-C ports total, and it has a combination of charger supports major protocols such as PD 3.0, QC 4.0, SCP, FCP, PPS. You cannot charge the Apple MacBook with this though. The pricing is supposed to be around 2,999 rupees, and it will come in a dark grey color with the orange color only being India specific. None of these products are value for money.